If you're a developer planning a vacation home or a holiday home project, you want your project to sell faster, rent better, and build a long-term brand value. These 6 steps can save you from years of mistakes. Let's begin. Step 1. Budget, demand, and the right location. Before anything else, finalize your development budget. Is it a 5 crore project, 10 crores project, 50 crores project? Are you working alone or with partners? Clear budgets create clear decisions. Now study the demand. Look for natural attraction zones, lakes, hills, forest belts, wildlife zones, or established tourist routes. Vacation homes work best where people already travel. Shortlist a few zones, compare them, and finalize the ones that promise long-term demand and appreciation. Step 2. Smart and strategic land acquisition. Land is your foundation. Choose it with precision. Check road access, check view angles, sunsets, sunrise, valley, lake, check soil type, water availability, and environmental regulations. A strategically chosen plot can attract big hospitality brands which can later help for management or partnerships. This step alone can increase project value drastically. Step 3. Experience-driven master planning. Buyers don't buy just a vacation home, they buy an experience. Invest in world-class landscaping, gardens, water features, walking paths, view decks, and beautifully designed lighting. In today's world, Instagram-worthy spaces sell better than plain buildings. Step 4. Approvals, compliances, and financing options. Never take the shortcut. Get every approval, every NOC, and every license. A fully compliant project builds trust. If you are selling individual vacation homes, tie up with banks, offer financing options, provide stay benefits or rental sharing programs. These models attract serious buyers and increase project sales velocity. Step 5. Positioning, branding, and marketing strategy. Define exactly what your project stands for. Is it luxury retreat, a nature escape, a wellness stay, or a high ROI rental model? Your positioning becomes your identity. Build your marketing with drone visuals, storytelling videos, and influencer stage. A strong website and automated lead generation funnel. Step 6. Build amenities first, launch sales, deliver on time. In vacation home projects, amenities are not optional, they are essential. Start with core amenities: pool, cafe deck, clubhouse, landscape gardens, open seating zones, and activity areas. Once buyers see amenities coming up, their confidence increases and the sales automatically increases. Above all, deliver what you promise, on time with quality. That's how you build brand credibility and ensure your next project sells even faster. These 6 pillars can transform a simple vacation home idea into a profitable, high-demand real estate project. See you in the next video.